new crypto project has been ongoing for a very long time now. Many people have claimed the airdrop. The sweet part is you don't have to partake. There is nothing like partaking on testnet or any quest. All you have to do is head over to this website and click on claim airdrop. It will require you to sign up using your email address. Make sure once you're signing in, make sure to connect it to your Thread Sniper wallet address. Unfortunately, I can't do that again, unless I'll have to disconnect it. Make sure to connect it to your Thread Sniper wallet address. Let me check if I can redo that. Disconnect wallet. Okay, yes. Let's connect wallet. Scroll all the way. You will see Thread Sniper. Click on Thread Sniper. It will require you to connect to your Twitter account. Make sure you have a Twitter account. If you don't, make sure to download the Twitter account. Click on connect and immediately connection successful. Then click on claim airdrop. Input your Twitter username. Make sure it's correct. Click on submit. And then you'll be able to see how much you have accumulated. Then click on share reference. Unfortunately, due to the large number of people which are claiming, this keeps on popping up, but keep on trying. If you head over to my official group, you will see that a lot of people have claimed the airdrop. You can see this one of them. They have already claimed the airdrop. Make sure to claim as soon as possible. If you keep on receiving this message, don't worry, just give it an hour and then try it again. This happens sometimes, so that's all you need to know. Immediately you claim it, you shouldn't worry again. You can then withdraw straight to your wallet address. I'm making a video in case you don't understand how to withdraw straight to your wallet address, so make sure to join my Telegram group, link below. Thanks for watching and subscribe. So fortunately I was still able to claim the airdrop, so let's keep watching. It usually needs 2 to 3 minutes to confirm whether your tweet was sent. Please be patient. So we're gonna have to wait for a little longer for you to confirm this. So just exit that, waiting for confirmation, and after this you have to claim the airdrop and then you are simply done 100%. This is one of the sweet and easy airdrops you don't want to miss. So make sure to follow me on Twitter because there are tons of airdrops which will turn you into a millionaire. So catch you next time and make sure to join my Telegram group, link below. Thanks for watching.